let's take a look at the Rockaverb 50. Anything you want to tell us about the Rockaverb 50 Mach 2?
Mark II, they've changed the tube complement from that's probably the biggest change. It went from 6v6s, EL34s, right, exactly.
Okay.
And I think they may have tamed the reverb a little bit. And there's one of the changes. But one of our most popular heads, really extremely versatile head, 2 channels, dirty and clean. And let's just listen to it.
Okay, here we go.
It's always better to play amps than talk about them.
Agreed.
Right now we're in the clean channel. Turn the gain down a little bit, keep it a little cleaner. Nice chime with.
I'm sorry.
A really nice chime, even with humbuckers. So if we had P90s or single coils, even more so. So.
Just to add my own 2 cents here, I own a Rockaverb 50. I don't have the Mark II, correct?
Right.
Okay, I have the non-Mark II series. One of the things I like about the orange, it's thick, syrupy tone. So whether you're on the clean or the dirty, it's not thin, it's just kind of full-bodied, very thick tone, and definitely comes out, especially using a Les Paul with humbuckers, it's just real big, rich, thick, creamy tone.
Absolutely, I think that runs throughout the line.
Yeah.
That's one of the things that these are just big, thick, juicy
Right.
orange amps.
Yeah.
It's a juicy orange.
The cool thing about orange too is nothing else really sounds like it, does it?
Pretty unique. People describe them as a cross between this and that, but we really have our own thing going on. I think once you plug into an orange and play it, you just get it.
Yep.
So it's the best way to experience is go down to your nearest dealer and spend some time in there with the orange amps.
Sounds good. So we're going to go over to the dirty channel on the Rockaverb.
Is just lovely. I've got the gain maybe 3 o'clock right now. We'll flip it up. The dirty. So that's kind of probably mid-dirty. It goes up twice as much. They get quite a lot of gain out of these if you want.
That sounded awesome.
Thanks. It does that really well.
Yep.
It's these are just
Real heavy, chunky,
lean into these amps and
That's right,
get a lot out
that's
of them. Rockaverb 100 really gives you